Hello guys, today's tutorial we're gonna learn how to develop a database that contains secure constraint. You can start to ask yourself what is secure constraint. Are the rules applied on a database to ensure its correctness and accuracy of data in database. Generally, secure constraint determine the action that will happen on values that is stored in our database. So in order to make this simple and clear, I decided to use a paper and a pen, because many times people face the challenge of writing the queries they use in the way of designing their database, like using MySQL. So I'm gonna try to show that it is possible to code queries and you can write them as same as you have coded them. So we're gonna take example of a database carried shop. It consists of two tables of customers. We have customer ID, customer name, phone number, email. I think this is enough. We have another table of product that will be found in that shop. We have product ID, customer ID that we reference in product, product name, unity price, and quantity of the product the customer will be buying. So we're going to start by applying constraint that will allow us to manipulate the data that are stored in our columns. I'm going to start on customer table by saying create table customers. Customer ID will be primary key. Because primary key is a constraint, we were trying to create a table that contains secure constraint. As I has shown above, our first table is called customers. So we are going to create table customers. Customer ID is going to be a primary key, because primary key is a column that identifies each record in that table. Means it will identify each record like customer name, not null, which will our primary key will allow a relationship in product. So customer name will be value character as, not null will help us our customer not to read a customer name space without any values. So phone will be unique, because we want our customers to have different numbers in order to know how we record their information correctly. Also, our email will be unique, as we barely know emails aren't the same, in order to know how we can send a feedback to our customers in case it's needed. So we are going to our next table called product ID. It will help us to identify each product that is in our shop. Customer ID is referenced in product table in order to help us know which product a customer has been dealing with. So again, you have product name. In order to know which name of a product, we have quantity, which also must not be null, because you want to know which quantity a customer has brought. So we have unity price, and we have check constraint, which allow us to limit values that can be stored in the column of unity price. So I can't live without showing you a clear definition that will allow us to understand correctly what is SQL constraint. So primary key is it uniquely identify each record in database table. Foreign key, a column referencing to a primary key of another table. As I have shown, unique constraint, it ensures that all values in column are different in order to provide a better security issues and clear maintenance of our records. Not null, it is used to ensure that all columns isn't expecting null values, or all columns. Not null, it is used to ensure that a column isn't expecting null values, which will allow us, for the people who are dealing with the database, they will live without fearing anything in that column. Or someone who will deal with SQL constraint, this is what it means. So check, it's somehow tricky because it is used to limit range of values to be stored in a column. It requires to be wise in order to know what you are dealing with in order to use it. So thank you for watching. For more information, you can continue going on our YouTube channel.